And welcome to a new video. Telangiectasia, known as broken blood veins, red veins, or spiderweb veins, occurs on the legs, ankles, face, or other areas. Although they are visible and vary on the skin surface, these veins are not dangerous to health and do not give painful symptoms. They may be accompanied in some cases by a burning or itching sensation. Many women complain of these unsightly varicose veins and look for ways to get rid of them. Usually, red veins can disappear on their own after a few months of their appearance, but some natural remedies can also reduce them. 1. Apple cider vinegar. This is one of the most popular remedies for varicose veins. Apple cider vinegar helps reduce the appearance of veins in the spider web by stimulating blood circulation in the area. Soak a piece of cloth in undiluted apple cider vinegar and apply as a compress on the part of the skin where the veins are visible. Leave on for 20 minutes. Repeat the procedure twice a day, for at least a month, or until you notice that the veins fade. 2. Wild chestnut. This plant reduces the symptoms of varicose veins, leg pain, and swelling associated with chronic venous insufficiency. If you suffer from itching or inflammation due to broken blood vessels, apply wild chestnut ointment or wild chestnut tincture to the affected area. It can take 3 to 4 months for visible results. Wild chestnut can stimulate peripheral circulation, strengthen the veins and capillaries. 3. Ginkgo biloba. This plant helps heal red veins by strengthening the tissues forming the walls of veins, improving blood circulation, and oxygenation of tissues. Take 40 milligrams of ginkgo biloba 3 times a day, until the veins disappear, with the doctor's consent. 4. Blueberries. Specialists recommend the consumption of blueberries to treat broken veins on the legs. Blueberries have proven effects in stimulating the capillary formation and strengthening capillary walls. Beyond these effects, blueberries are rich enough in antioxidants to increase immunity and reduce blood vessels weakness. Other berries, such as raspberries, are also recommended, as they contain bioflavonoids that act as a tonic for broken capillaries. 5. Ginger. Ginger is a plant famous for its ability to stimulate blood circulation. By lowering blood pressure, ginger reduces stress on the veins and heart and helps alleviate visible varicose veins. Drink ginger tea daily, or add ginger to your food. If you are taking any type of anticoagulants, consult your doctor before starting a ginger treatment. 6. Hawthorn. Hawthorn is a plant famous for heart health, especially heart rate. Hawthorn is rich in bioflavonoids, vitamin C, zinc, and sulfur. All of these compounds help treat varicose veins. Experts claim that 200 milligrams of hawthorn extract 3 times a day can help in this case.